Ever had that moment where you're backing up and suddenly hear that terrifying crunch? Or worse, someone yelling because you were inches away from hitting something you never even saw? Yeah, that's exactly why backup cameras have gone from nice extra feature to something a lot of drivers genuinely need. And if you drive an RV, trailer, truck, or even a regular daily driver with terrible rear visibility, choosing the wrong system can be a frustrating mistake. Some cameras look amazing online, but lag like crazy, fail in the rain, or become useless at night. And trust me, that gets old fast. So, in this video, we're breaking down the best backup camera systems you can buy on Amazon right now. From simple plug-and-play options for everyday cars to heavy-duty systems built for RVs and trailers. Some are budget-friendly, some are overkill for casual drivers, and one of them feels like having a co-pilot watching every blind spot behind you. Let's jump in. Starting off at number 6, we've got the Kairiyard Dual RV Backup Camera System. This one is clearly built for people driving larger vehicles where blind spots become a serious problem. If you own an RV, a fifth-wheel trailer, a work truck, or even a long camper setup, you already know how stressful reversing can be when mirrors just aren't enough. That's where this system starts making sense. You're getting two AHD 1080p cameras paired with a large 7-inch monitor. And the clarity here is noticeably better than those cheap, grainy systems that make everything look blurry. The 150-degree wide-angle lens helps cover more ground behind your vehicle, which is especially helpful when backing into campsites, parking lots, or narrow driveways. And here's what a lot of buyers overlook. This is a wired system. That may sound annoying because installation takes more effort, but wired systems usually outperform wireless ones for long vehicles. No signal drops, no random interference, no lag when you need instant response. The IP69 metal housing also means these cameras can handle rain, dirt, heat, and rough road conditions. Sounds perfect, right? Here's the catch. Installation can be a pain if you're not comfortable routing cables through a large vehicle. And that bulky monitor may feel outdated for some users. But if reliability matters more than convenience, this is a strong pick. At number 5, we have the Fookoo 2HD Backup Camera System. This one feels built for commercial users who simply cannot deal with signal issues. Think semi-truck drivers, delivery vehicles, box trucks, and large RV owners. Its biggest selling point is the sharp CCD sensor, which performs surprisingly well in low-light conditions. A lot of cheap cameras completely fall apart at night. You'll see glare, poor contrast, and blurry outlines. This one does a much better job when backing into poorly lit areas. The wired connection also means you get zero latency. That matters more than people realize. Even a 1-second delay while reversing a large truck can create serious problems. Its IP69 waterproof camera is also built like a tank. Rainstorms, mud, car washes, it handles all of it without drama. But there's a downside. Unlike some newer systems offering multiple cameras, this only gives you one viewing angle. That can feel limiting if you're towing large trailers or need side visibility. And again, installation isn't exactly beginner-friendly. Still, if you prioritize reliability over fancy features, this one deserves attention. At number 4, we have the TZ102 Upgrade Dual Backup Camera Kit. This system is all about flexibility. Unlike the Fookoo setup, you're getting two cameras here, which instantly makes it more versatile. One camera can focus on reversing, while the other helps monitor trailer hitch alignment, cargo visibility, or rear traffic. That's incredibly useful if you tow boats, campers, or utility trailers regularly. The 1080p monitor delivers solid image quality, and both cameras come with IP69 waterproof protection. What makes this system attractive is that it feels more practical for people who want multi-angle coverage without jumping to an ultra-expensive 4-camera setup. And if you frequently travel with trailers, this can save you a lot of stress during hookups. But there's still a drawback. You'll still need to route cables, which some buyers hate. And the large monitor may not look as sleek as modern factory-installed displays. Still, for the price, it gives you a lot more flexibility than single-camera systems. At number 3, we've got the Yimu K4302 license plate backup camera system. Now, this is where things get much more practical for everyday drivers. Not everyone owns an RV or drives a giant truck. Some people just want help parking their sedan, SUV, or pickup truck without spending hundreds. That's exactly where this system fits. The license plate design makes installation significantly easier because you won't need major drilling or complicated mounting work. Its 150-degree wide-angle lens helps cover cross-traffic when backing out of tight spaces, which is extremely helpful in crowded parking lots. The DIY parking guidelines are another underrated feature because you can customize them based on your vehicle size. And the IP69K waterproof rating means it can survive heavy rain and rough weather conditions without becoming useless. The biggest downside? That small 4.3-inch screen feels limited compared to larger displays. If you're used to modern infotainment screens, it may feel tiny. But for everyday drivers who want something affordable and simple, this one makes a lot of sense. At number 2, we have the E-Rapa AY7 backup camera system. This thing feels like the sweet spot between affordability and premium performance. The biggest upgrade here is the 2K resolution, which gives noticeably sharper visuals than standard HD systems. That extra detail helps when you're trying to avoid low obstacles, curbs, or small objects behind your vehicle. The large 7-inch display is easy to see, and it works especially well for RVs, trailers, buses, and larger trucks. Its IP69 waterproof construction also makes it ideal for people driving in rough environments. And because this uses a wired connection, long-distance signal reliability isn't an issue. But here's the catch. Installation takes time. If you hate dealing with wiring, this may test your patience. And under bright sunlight, screen glare can sometimes become annoying. Still, the clarity upgrade alone makes this one very attractive. Before we reveal number 1, here's something most buyers get completely wrong. They overspend on features they'll never use. If you drive a normal car, you probably do not need a massive 4-camera commercial setup. And if you drive a huge RV, buying a cheap single-camera system can create dangerous blind spots. The best backup camera isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that fits your vehicle and driving habits. And now, number 1. The 4K RV backup camera system with quad split touchscreen. This thing is absolutely loaded. You get a huge 10.36-inch touchscreen display, 4 1080p cameras, quad split-screen viewing, and DVR recording. That means you can monitor multiple angles at the same time. Rear view, side blind spots, trailer visibility, and parking assistance all in one setup. For massive RVs, buses, trailers, and commercial vehicles, this can feel like having an extra person guiding you. Lane changes become safer, parking becomes easier, and the built-in DVR adds extra security in case of accidents. It even includes Bluetooth and media features, although some buyers may never use those extras. The obvious downside is price. It's expensive, and installation is definitely not beginner-friendly. But if maximum visibility is your priority, nothing on this list beats it. So here's the breakdown. If you want the best overall value, go with the E-Rapa AY7. If you want something simple for everyday driving, grab the Yimu K4302. If you drive a huge RV or commercial vehicle and want maximum safety, the 4K quad system is the clear winner. And if you want dual camera flexibility without spending a fortune, the TZ102 is worth a serious look. Check the links in the description for updated prices and availability because these deals change all the time. And if one of these cameras saves you from a costly backup accident, it'll probably pay for itself faster than you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.